In this video I'm going to show you how to create an issue in Jira. So what you need to do is log into your account, and once you are there we can click on create. Now if you click on create, this new task will be opened, and if I will maximize the screen, then you will see we can select the project over here. So I have my project YouTube videos and I would like to add a new issue to it. So what we can do, we can select our project over here, then we will select the work type. Now this will be a task, so for this one I will create a task, select it, and then we need to select the status. Here you can select the status, so the status of this ticket will be a to-do because it is not in progress yet. So we will select to-do, and then you can inform them with a title. So let's say create thumbnails. After that, add some description to it. So for this project we have set a title, create thumbnails, and as you can see we have now added some description to it. We need to make thumbnails related to the following topics: how to create thumbnails for YouTube and how to create a Jira account. So these will be the topics which we are going to create thumbnails for. So now you gave some description and instructions to your issue. The next step will be assigning this issue to your team members. So you can select different team members over here by clicking on this option. And as you can see, we can assign it to people. So I will select myself in this case and then select the label. So what you can do, you can create labels in Jira to categorize some issues. For now, I don't have any available labels because I haven't created one, but you can categorize issues based on labels. The next step will be to select a due date. So when does this issue need to be fixed? We will select a date, let's say Saturday, the 4th of October, and then select it. Now you can select your team over here. We have team 1. I will select team 1 because this issue is related to the project of team 1. The next step is to select a start date. When do people need to start with this issue, fixing it? That will be today. They have to start today. Now the next step is to reporter. Because I have created this issue, my name is stated over here. And now you can also add some attachments to it. Click on browse if you would like to add it. Then just select one and then it will be added into our attachments. Now the next step is to select the linked work items, and here you can select blocks. Is blocked by, clones, is cloned by, duplicates, is duplicated by, relates to. For now I will leave it like this. You can also add some URLs or project URLs or something like that. You can also restrict certain roles to view this issue. As you can see, we can restrict the viewer option, so this role will be not included into this issue. Now as you can see, they don't have any access to it. After that you can click on create. Now once you have created an issue, you are able to view it and edit it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!